How to play Fortnite split screen on PS5. Hello and welcome back to our channel. So have you ever pondered how you can share the excitement of the Fortnite with a companion on the PS5 console? Well, you're in for a treat because engaging in Fortnite in split screen mode on the PlayStation 5 is just not feasible. It's also an excellent way to amplify the enjoyment. So how can you partake in Fortnite split screen on PS5? Let's delve into the straightforward steps to have you and your friend competing on the same display. First and foremost, ensure that both players are signed into their PlayStation Network accounts on the same PS5 console. Two accounts are necessary as individual profiles are needed to share the gameplay. Subsequently, launch Fortnite and navigate to the main menu. Have the second player press the X button on their PS5 controller to enter the game. The split screen will activate automatically, dividing the screen in half for each player. Remember, you must be in the duos or squad game mode as a split screen functionality is not available in solo matches. Playing Fortnite in split screen mode is an exciting journey, but there are a couple of things to bear in mind. Firstly, since you will be sharing the same screen, effective communication is essential. Strategize together to dominate the island, and furthermore, bear in mind that split screen mode is exclusively accessible in a specific game modes such as duos and squads. Therefore, ensure to select the appropriate mode for a seamless split screen encounter. So in order to enjoy the local Fortnite fun on the same screen with the same console, take advantage of Fortnite's split screen feature. With a second controller, you and your friends can play together in the same places. And here's how to set it up. First of all, ensure that you have another account on your PS5 or PS4 with Fortnite logged in. If not, create a new user. For PS5, tap on the PS button and go to the profile icon, then select Switch User and then Add User and follow the prompts to sign in with relevant PSN details. For PS4, hold the PS button, choose Power, log out of PS4, reconnect your controller, and select New User and then create a user to sign in or sign up for PSN. Once the accounts are set, launch Fortnite and sign in with both accounts. Decide which account will host the game. The host user has certain privileges like controlling the battle bus jump, access to the locker, friend list, item shop, and game sounds. Add the second player by connecting another controller to the console while in the host user's lobby. Holding the PS button, selecting the second account with an active Fortnite profile and pressing and holding the triangle button until the loading cycle completes. A window with the Player 2 tag will appear, logging in the second account. With both accounts set up and logged in, playing Fortnite with a friend using split screen should be seamless and enjoyable experience. Now here, delve into Fortnite split screen pros and cons. The divided screen limits visibility, running two games strains console affecting the quality, and simultaneous gameplay can be confusing. Glitches may occur but usually resolve quickly, and only two players allowed, due to which mic use is limited. Despite quirks, split screen in Fortnite is fun. So this was all about how to play Fortnite split screen on PS5. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.